How to change notification sound from Facebook. Apple does not allow third-party apps like Facebook to set custom notification sounds directly. Facebook uses the default iOS notification tone and there is no option inside the Facebook app to change it specifically. But here is your option. All you have to do is open the settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on the sounds and haptics option available there. Then inside there all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the text tone option available or notification sound according to your iPhone version. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is choose a different tone or vibration. This will change notification sound for apps that don't offer custom tones like Facebook. This changes applies system-wide including messages and some third-party apps as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.